Hey, everybody. Welcome to another training session here on Mailbox University. Today, I have my really good friend, long-term friend, Mr. Michael Zappia, who happens to be a network marketing professional. And he is representing his team, which is Team U, meaning Euphoria. Yeah, Euphoria is the company he's with, but Team U. Yeah, there you go. Represent, my brother. All right. So, hey, I decided to bring Michael on today because he wanted to accomplish something today, but I wanted to share it with the audience as well, because it's super important if you're a network marketer that you start understanding the power of the mailbox and of Mailbox Power itself. So anyway, Michael, what are we trying to accomplish today?
Well, we're going to send out a greeting card, a card for 2021, and a couple of different purposes here, Joe. We're going to, number one, send out a card to appreciate and just get in the mailbox of everyone on the team. It's just a step that I just feel like we need to do. I got to have a physical presence. With all this digital life that's been happening in 2020, we need to be physical. So Mailbox Power is powerful because now you're at least, we can't be face-to-face, but at least I can give them something physical. So we're going to send them out a card. We're going to talk about 2021 being an incredible year, and there's a special message from the leadership team that we've assembled here at Team U that's going to go out to the entire network that we've built. We've got a network of close to 9,000 people now, so it's pretty amazing. But yeah, so that's the first purpose. Number two, at the very end, we're going to actually utilize the link that we're going to create for the campaign, and I'm going to be able to put it out through all of our social media for everyone on the team to click on it so that they can give us their contact information. So think of what that's going to do for our team. Now, anytime we want to send future cards, future gifts, and anything physical in people's mailboxes on the team, we're going to have that ability with Mailbox Power. So pretty excited.
Love it. Now, you added another component to this, right? We were talking, about the video component. I'm like, a QR code. Let's connect the mailbox to your Vimeo account. And we're also going to accomplish that today. So folks, what we're going to learn today is really a little higher level communication as a network marketing professional, as a leader of a group. All right, number one. Number two, we're going to teach you how to set up a campaign in the Mailbox Power platform. And number three, we're going to teach you about a QR code and how that works inside of a greeting card and connects people to your Vimeo account and actually adds a whole other layer. Michael's a prolific writer. He's written a really good card, but the message, I think, tell me what's the message, the video message, and who's it from? Is it just you?
No, the message is from the other night. We jumped on. We have a mastermind, a leadership team that came together, and we decided to do a Zoom, and everyone dressed really sharp. It was really cool and kind of festive, and we all just wanted to make the card come to life. So we had the idea. I knew you'd be able to help me execute the QR code without even seeing one before through your project here. But yeah, so we all just jumped in there, and we all said about 10-15 seconds of a message, and we just came together. And it's gonna be really cool when the team clicks on that QR code and gets a video message from us.
Perfect. Okay, so let's get started. I have one word of wisdom for you folks out there about the QR code before you get started. Make sure that wherever you get the QR code from, you are using a paid service of some kind. Today, I used Canva to create the QR code, and I know that QR code is good forever. Other services that are offer to create QR codes for you will create it for you for free, and it'll work. And about a week later, it'll be no good, or you'll have to go pay them some kind of money for that QR code to go back to live. So anyway, just a word of warning. That's what's up. So we're going to jump right into Mr. Zappia's account right now, and what we're looking at right now is we are looking at his card that he has created. And I wanted to show everybody what the card looked like. So here it is. Happy New Year 2021. The future is bright, right on the front of the card. Now, this is the inside top panel where we're going to put the QR code. The inside bottom panel is where he has written his message, and it's from the Team U Mastermind Alliance. And as you can see, we personalize things by using this merge field, this bracket, first name, bracket. There are no spaces in there anywhere. Hello, first name, and it will put the recipient's first name there automatically. And on the back of the card, we decided to get a little creative today as well. And as you can see, it says Team U loves first name. So if this was going to Michael, the back of the card is going to say Team U loves, Michael. which is pretty cool to be able to personalize that. So anyway, let's go back to that inside top panel. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to photos, and I already uploaded the QR code. So all we want to do is just drag it over here and make sure that, we just center it. So people, it's pretty obvious, you know what I mean, what that is. And I also, another word of wisdom for using QR codes. This has instructions. And this is all just, one of those things from Canva that you just go type in QR code under templates and it'll dump these things out at you. Gives instruction. Open your camera app. And by the way, right now, if you're looking at this screen, get your camera out and do exactly what I'm saying right now. Open your camera app on your phone, point your camera at the QR code, and it's going to come up with a little link that's going to take you to Vimeo to watch this video, because that's what's going on here. We're converting everybody from a physical medium to a digital medium, which is a big, big deal. Okay, so here we are. This is the whole card, and this card is absolutely done. We can click preview up here in the top and see the whole card. So here's the front of it and the inside together with that QR code and the back. Perfect. Okay, so we're just going to click save. And we can return to save project so we can make sure we see the name of it, because we are going to have to use this to set up a campaign. And a campaign in Mailbox Power is an automated feature. It's how we automatically send things to people without having to send one card at a time, because Michael Zappia's got a large group, right?
That's right.
Okay, so here it is. Team U 2021, The Future is Bright is the name of this card. So what we're going to do right now is very quickly, we're going to go take care of everything. So the address book is the very first place we're going to go, because we have to have a place, kind of a home to put all these people. So we're going to create a new group, and we're going to call this 2021, The Future is Bright. Perfect. Create the group. So you have to have a group to attach to a campaign. So we started there, right? And then we're going to go to the campaign builder right here. Perfect. Okay. And we're going to create a new campaign. And again, I'm going to name it the same thing. 2021, The Future is Bright. Perfect. Now, there's 4 different kinds of campaigns. We just want to use a drip campaign. Perfect. Create campaign. We can explain the other campaigns later on. We're going to create the first shipment of the campaign. We're going to call this greeting card. That's what it is, right? Just a greeting card. And it's going to send out immediately when somebody's added to that new address group we just created. All right. You could choose a specific date, but we're going to actually choose just to go out immediately. And we're going to click add a project. All right. And let's see, future. We can, yep, there it is. All right. Add. This is so easy, right? Okay, here it is. Save shipment. All right. Now, this is our campaign, right? We've got one shipment set up that goes out immediately. It's a greeting card. And here is the greeting card. Yes, 50 cents plus postage. All right, perfect. So $1.05. Now, the only thing we have to do is actually activate the campaign and tell it which address group to look for. So we click on Manage Recipients, click Enroll Group, and we wait a second. Okay, and here it is. By the way, don't make the mistake of clicking on the group name. Click on Enroll This Group. And right here, 2021, The Future is Bright. Enroll this group. And this thing is almost done. All right, perfect. So now we've enrolled that group. All right. And did you, hey, yeah, let's go here. So return to the 2021 Future is Bright. Okay. And all we have to do now is start the campaign. Perfect. That thing is a done deal. All right. So now, how do we get people into this campaign and actually start those orders happening? We come down here, and I want everybody to notice right here, this is called ineedyourmailbox.com/team U. And if somebody clicks on that, what happens is matter of fact, I'm just going to show you what happens. I want to make sure everybody's super, super clear, but I'm going to have to stop sharing this one, Michael. So 1 second, remove. All right. And stop that screen share. And I got to go share the other screen that everybody's seeing, because this is super important. This is how we collect addresses, and not only collect addresses, but automatically send things out. So, and I just want to show everybody what it looks like. So it says Michael Zappia would like your contact info. I'm updating my address book. Please share your mailing address and information here so I can stay in touch. Form is 100% secure and your information will only be shared with me. Now, maybe I should just test this, right? Let's just put me in here. Why not? Let's do it. All right. And I'm going to put my birthday in here. I already know you got my in your birthday campaign. And by the way, Mr. Zappia, thank you for the birthday gift. I appreciate it.
You got it.
Awesome. Okay. So I'm going to click I'm not a robot and submit info. And that's it. So now I'm a part of his contacts. That is pretty much how that works. Pretty easy, right? Now, let's go to the next layer. I'm going to go back to the application window because one of those things that's super important to me is that everybody kind of understands this next layer of technology, which is so important, right? So I filled out this link right here. Now, when I click on The Future is Bright, this link right here now has a group ID at the end of it. And if you copy this link and send it to somebody and they fill it out, it will automatically order them that Future is Bright card. Michael doesn't have to do anything. Nothing. That's all. He's going to share this on social media. Do you want me to just email that to you really quick, Michael?
Actually, I'm gonna go find it myself, Joe, by going into my account with the Mailbox Power.
Perfect. So really,
what am I clicking on, Joe? The address book? No. The gift shop, save project, main menu. What do I click on to find that?
Go into your address book.
Okay.
And remember the campaigns are attached attached to an address group. And when you click on the address group, it'll give you a link to add people to that address group. And anybody that gets added to that address group is automatically going to be a part of that campaign. They will automatically, that order will just happen.
I just copied it and then I just pasted it on Facebook. That's it.
Right. Awesome. And did you get a text saying I signed up for your you already had me in there anyway.
Yeah, I'm sure it's I'm sure it came through. Yeah.
So anyway, we just wanted to share really quickly. I mean, it took us 12 minutes to show you everything. I mean, really, all of it, with the exception of creating the QR code. But we created a campaign, a new group. We now have the link that Michael's going to send out to his group. And when they fill it out, what's going to happen is he is collecting their names and addresses and hopefully their birthdays. He'll add that to the post that he does. When they fill it out, it'll automatically send them that card. They'll hover over with their phone and they'll be now attached and watching and on his Vimeo page. So a lot is happening through the mailbox. It's pretty darn cool. All right. What do you think, Michael?
I love it, Joe. Yeah, I was just in the middle of putting that post together. So this is great because this is the first time that I'm able to import the entire network into Mailbox Power. So I imagine within a couple hours here, have a couple hundred people that are in there that are automatically going to fill it out and they're going to generate the card, right?
Yes, sir. And I'm hoping you're going to add them to your birthday campaign at a minimum.
Of course.
Make sure they get a birthday card because that's a big deal.
And the half birthday campaign.
And the half birthday. Yes, sir. And the half birthday.
You got to touch them every 6 months at least, Joe.
That's right. That's right. And my three biggies are thank them for their business, send them a birthday card, and send them a half birthday card. And that's 3 touches a year. And I can promise you nobody's going to touch them on their half birthday. And I can almost promise you may be the only one that sends them a birthday card. And that is a sad, sad thing about the year that we're in, that you may be the only one that sent them a birthday card. Now, I'm a pretty damn lucky guy that, I got a lot of friends, and all those boxes were for my birthday last week. And I got a stack of cards here. And, super, super impressive, to receive that from a lot of my friends, and every single one of them. I'll remember their name, no doubt about it, because they sent me something in my mailbox. That's pretty cool stuff.
So cool, yeah. That is so cool.
Awesome. All right. Anything you want to end with, Mr. Zappia? Anything my audience needs to know about a professional network marketer and Mailbox Power?
Yeah, I jump from client to teacher right now. Yeah, your network is your net worth. Take care of people. Treat them like gold. I teach the network, and hopefully my actions speak louder than my words. But you take care of people. People are going to take care of you. That's the brilliance of this program with Mailbox Power. It's the brilliance of this technology that I'm able to use here, and anybody else out there can use this. But yeah, your network is your net worth,
If you want to change your life, change as many lives as you can. And I always teach people, treat people like gold. I mean, as we get older, we start to get a little bit wiser, right? You realize you have some relationships that you probably could have done a much better job with. And, as I get older, I want to make sure people know that when we cross paths that they meant something to me. And gold is the key word. Treat people like gold. I don't think you have to worry about anything. They'll do anything for you.
I love it. Thank you, Mr. Zappia. I appreciate it. I want everybody to know that I am oozing with positivity and optimism for 2021. And I know that touch people through their mailbox, it will change how you do business and how people think of you. So thank you, everybody, for joining us here today. And go out, make yourself a campaign, use a QR code, convert those folks, and just love on them. Love on your customers, love on your people, and everybody will be good. So thanks. Peace out, everybody.
Joe, thank you for your time. I appreciate you doing this for me.
You got it.
I know how to do it now. I'll be good from this point forward.
There you go. Catch.